Vinyl Takeover, good afternoon. Hey, this one is for, if I'm correct, look for it. Richard Pryor, Black Band the Blacksmith. It's a sealed copy with a drill hole here. I mentioned that in the description. It's flat. I don't think it's warped at all. Sealed copy. Good luck, guys. We got 12 names. Good luck. Let's get this going. Jeff. Bud. Doug. Oh, that's so stupid. Oh, silly. Oh. Bud, you got two more, brother. Thank you for playing. Thank you, everyone, for playing. Jeff. We are almost halfway there. You still, well, that's your third one, bud. You got one more in there. We're halfway there, folks. Jeff. Double pull, Jeff. Oh, stain my shirt. Okay, stain now. Doug, I'm sorry, man. That's your second ticket and final one. Thank you. Always a pleasure, sir. 3 names in there. Jeff. Bridesmaid and the winner. And it's between Jeff and Bud. Down to the wire, folks. Good luck, guys. Bridesmaid, and apologies too. Oh, wow. Sorry, Jeff. The 6 tickets didn't pay off, man. Sorry about that, man. Maybe next time. The winner. 1 ticket. No empty container. Is Bud. Congratulations, Bud. Hey, the 4 tickets paid off for you, man. Message me your information, Mr. O'Byrne, and I will ship this to you this week. Thank you, guys. Always a pleasure.